Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong Aiktian ka Voice of the People Party u Dr. Londona Murphy Sotun ha ka shiphotarik ulaber arhajar abhunre uloong baka seng ka pendremjur halor ka jingja ha ka thanri lom Garo u Dr. Londona uloong baka seng Voice of the People Party kam pediang dalile yakinu kinuki kamle donbor Henry ka pendremjur halor ka jingpen ibor bathmu persha yakitrai reulom ha Garo Ulak dauru ba ka ni ka bu ya ka jingma ha ka jing shongsuk bat ka jing shngan ha ka te ka than da ka ba kentu ya ki bor ba halor ba ki de ban pet ngor bha bat ban to ket halor ki jing ja baro bat ban shim ya ki rai bating e ya kum kinu ki kinhon ki bathmu ban pen i bor persha ne ban thau ka jing plumar ha ka te ka than Ulapan syai ba ka GHADC ka de ka bala thau ya ki an bat ki rai na ka benta ki trai reulum Ula benrap da ka boong bana kalyang ka seng ka ngets kem baha ka jing thep vote jong ki try reulum sha ka GHADC ka de ka hok jong ki bani shim benta shu uloong bana kalyang ka seng ka ai ka Jingkyrshan na ka benta ki try rilom Garo bakin Ïeng na ka benta ka hok ka jong ki shu uloong bakum ka party kam yai sha yagi kam ya snam bat kam deiru kalenti ban yo ya ka hok kat kum kariti sinchar kari India Bat benrap ba hap ban burom ya kate ka hok ki judgment riu Garo.
On behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I would like to express my serious and deep concern on this recent fallout of the law and order situation in the Garo Hills region. The Voice of the People Party do not condone and never will condone any form of violence. Therefore, as a party, we strongly condemn this violence which aims in targeting the Garo community, who are the indigenous tribal community of the region. These acts of violence are deeply disturbing and poses a threat to the peace and harmony of the area. As we all know, the tribal communities of the Garo Hills region have always upheld a tradition of peaceful coexistence and mutual respect. Therefore, an attempt by any group to create communal tension, communal unrest must be viewed with extreme cautiousness. Therefore, I call upon the concerned authorities to immediately investigate on all these incidents and take strong action, strong measures against those people who are responsible for instigating violence and disrupting peace and harmony. Let me also be very clear on this. The Voice of the People Party stands in solidarity with the tribal people of the Garo Hills and also reiterate that their constitutional rights, their cultural identity, and their tribal governing system must be protected at all costs. The Voice of the People Party also reiterate its unwavering commitment to uphold the true spirit and intent of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. Yes, as we all know, the 6th schedule was specifically designed to safeguard the autonomy and political rights of the tribal people of the Northeast. Henceforth, institutions like the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council was established to ensure that the tribal people of the Garo Hills region are the primary decision makers on matters relating to land, culture, and development. Therefore, on this line, the Voice of the People Party firmly believes that participation in the electoral process of the GHADC is the exclusive rights of the tribal people of the Garo Hills, and it must be respected by everyone. And allowing participation of non-tribals in such type of elections will undermine the very foundation upon which these autonomous councils were created. Therefore, the Voice of the People Party will continue to stand resolutely with the tribal people of Garo Hills, the tribal people of Meghalaya in safeguarding their rights, their identity, and their culture. I also, at this point of time, urge upon all the citizens of the state to stand united in defending and safeguarding the interests and dignity of the indigenous community of the state, while at the same time maintaining peace and order in the state. I will also like to take this opportunity to earnestly request my Garo brothers, to kindly refrain from any form of violence in your struggle for your constitutional rights. However, the Voice of the People Party will always continue to support in your fight for your constitutional rights through a democratic, through a peaceful and a non-violence approach.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka karukom im jong diri undai langit ndagi briu kli ya be kata ka kum ka juk ka bamta kan kanduk kini ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki bale uman barim ki ladu